Well, good morning to the world, and good morning to all those tuning in on Facebook. I realize I'm 38 minutes early. Normally I'm late. This morning I'm early. The reason why I jumped on board so early is because I have a very busy schedule today. Thankfully, I'm always busy, but today is especially busy. I have to go to the filming of Dragon Squad, and then I have a photo shoot, and then back to more filming. And then I have a couple of important decks to complete, very important decks for our NFT and for our interactive intelligence. The reason why I'm spouting this is because this matches today's 32nd in the New World Series lecture, which is working with God. So those that obviously follow my teaching or preaching are aware that I discovered scientifically my single omnipotent God, which is the scientific terminology I use to refer to God through my twin universe discovery, which I arrogantly or boldly proclaim will solve all the cosmic unknowns in our world, answer dark energy, dark matter, missing antimatter, quantum entanglement. But not only just solve it, but bring forth new technology that will advance humanity. So have a practical application and solution. So it's not just, so this is why I created the one God, one religion, fact-based, that will unify all the other faith-based religion into one, believing in the one unified God. Well, it seems logic, right? If you have one God, then you should only really truthfully have only one religion, you know? So anyway, so as I mentioned, the science will provide practical solutions that will allow the new technology to communicate instantaneously across one side universe to the other, travel faster than the speed of light, in potentially time travel. But the practicality of this new discovery, this new divine discovery, is not just on the science side, but also on the business side. As you know, I also created our collective in 2015, which is this holy trinity of humanity, which combines activists, artisan, and artists in a holistic way. And it's this part of the God manuscript, not only defining how God is factually discoverable, but also in how it can be practically applied in everyday life, both in the art, in the business, and in the charity. So again, the Holy Trinity. And by unifying those three, the art with the artists, business with the artisans, and the charity with the activists, you can create a holistic human activity, I would call it, which involve the four E's, as I refer to, which is education, economics, enlightenment, and I've got the fourth E now. I'll remember it after I talk about it, but part of that is the economics of it. Oh, entertainment's the fourth one as well. So, but economics. So yes, this new divine knowledge and truth that's been given through this one God, one religion, it does have many practical applications, both in the scientific technology aspect, but also in the economic business sphere of life. And God should be in our everyday life, you know, not just in our heart, soul, but also in our mind. And what best way but to apply godly, divine ways towards a righteous and a good path. Okay, so that's what our collective holistic model is all about, and how it integrates business with the arts and with the charity, so that we can be working with God. So thank you, and I look forward to seeing you all again soon. God bless.